Hey, you guys keep asking me what enough money is. How many times I got to tell you? First of all, if you're asking the question, you don't have enough money. Number two, enough money by definition, at least my definition, would be you can take care of everyone you love. Everyone, all the people, your sister that you forgot about, your aunt that took care of you when you were growing up, maybe a school teacher that helped you out a bunch is struggling now. Like you can help your two kids, your wife or husband, and your parents, and beyond that. You know what I'm saying? You can reach deep, start helping all the people you love. That would be enough money, and still take care of yourself. By the way, I know some of you out there taking care of everybody else, but you don't take care of yourself. So you'd have to be able to take care of everybody you love, all the people you forgot that you love, and the people that can't take care of themselves, the guy on the street corner that you're like, dude, I feel sorry for this guy, I want to help him out. You can take care of all those people and yourself, and I'm not done. Okay? When you expire and you're done, you're history. You can't work anymore, can't produce anymore, you're expired. You would still, you got enough money to still take care of the people you love, the things you love, the charities you love, the causes that you believe in. Yeah, that's what would be enough money. And still not be out, by the way. You would have abundance in every way. You would have wealth beyond anything that's destructible. It would last forever. And you could literally change the world with the money that you produced because you were committed, you were charitable, you cared enough to go big enough. A lot of you guys, man, y'all just don't care about enough people. That's why you think so small. It's not about the cars and the shades and the clothes and the watches. Yeah, all those things are cool and everything, but the real game is, can you create enough wealth to continue? And you can, by the way. I mean, it's possible for anyone to do, if you dream big enough. It's not possible if you don't think this big. But if you did think this big, if you could think this big, if you got around other people that thought this big, that encourage you to think big and really live into your full potential, you could create, you could absolutely 100%, starting from zero, still create enough wealth to take care of you, all the people you love, all the people you forgot that you love, and even when you're done, you could keep taking care of people. Seems pretty worthy to me. I know I'm not supposed to be driving and doing a video, but I thought this message was important enough to drive and do a video. Thank God I didn't hit anybody, hurt anybody. Hopefully I help you. Hopefully I stop you in your tracks today and said, shit, dude, what am I doing making 70 grand a year? 170 grand a year. What are you doing? Trading time for money just to be able to help a handful of people when you could really get creative, live into your full potential, expand into your full potential, start meeting the right people, and you could change the world with what you do and the money that you make. Because look, money, they say money won't buy everything. So you can't buy everything. Money ain't everything, Grant. I'm saying, yeah, but it buys everything. There's nothing money doesn't buy. Sometimes it even buys a little happiness. You know, for that guy on the street corner, give him $1,000 rather than $10 and see if he's not happy. God bless, be great, think big, 10X.